Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best camping cookware that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Stanley Adventure Even Heat Camp Pro Cook Set. Though we doubt you'll have a dishwasher at your campsite, it's helpful to know that the Stanley Adventure Even Heat Camp Pro Cook Set is in fact dishwasher safe upon your return home. This cookware set distributes heat evenly too, which can be tough to achieve outdoors. If you're looking for durability and aren't concerned with high price tags, this high-quality set from Stanley is worth checking out. Considered a buy-it-for-life item by some reviewers, the set is said to be great quality and it won't rust over time. The set includes one 4.7 5-quart stainless steel pot, a 9-quart saucepan, and a 8.5-inch frying pan, all with vented lids. Also included in the set are a collapsible cutting board, spatula, spoon, 2 trivets, and a locking bungee for keeping everything safely stored in the stock pot when not in use. Despite loving this high-end type of camping cookware, we think it would be better suited for a car camp or RV camping trip due to it being heavy to carry. It definitely isn't a solution for hikers. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Stanley Adventure Camp Cook Set. For those looking to spend less on a quality Stanley cookware set, the base Camp Cook Set is a great option. Scratch-proof as well as rust-proof, this cookware set has everything a family of 4 would need for a camp kitchen. An easy pack, the set consists of 21 nested components, including a 3.5-liter pot with a vented lid for boiling water and soup, 7-inch frying pan, cutting board, spatula, serving spoon, and drying rack trivet, not to mention the 4 of each 6-inch plates, bowls, and forks, all stack into the 5-liter pot with a locking bungee, making it easy to pack. It should be noted that more than one reviewer mentioned the plates are a bit small, but we don't see that as a major issue. A couple shoppers do warn that it isn't the easiest set to clean. However, if you've been lugging around a heavy backpacking stove to your campsites, you'll appreciate the upgrade. At number 3, we have the GSI Outdoors Pinnacle Camper Cooking Set. With the option to configure for 2 or 4 people, this cookware set from GSI Outdoors weighs just 3.62 pounds, making it a great option for backpacking trips. Despite being lightweight, however, this set is on the pricier side. Included are 4 plates, 4 insulated mugs with sip tops and sleeves, 4 bowls, a 2-liter pot with strainer lid, 3-liter pod with strainer lid, frying pan, 1 attachable folding handle, and a stuff sack that doubles as a wash basin. All-included cookware is made of durable anodized aluminum and coated with non-stick Teflon. One criticism we came across in user reviews is that people wish the set included more than 1 handle, as it can become a pain to constantly transfer it between 3 different pieces of cookware, but otherwise people love this set. At number 2, we have the Bisgear 16-piece portable cookware kit. Whether you're just getting into the outdoor life or you aren't ready to invest in pricey equipment, this camping cookware set from Bisgear is a great solution. Affordable and perfect for a light pack, the set comes with a total of 16 pieces. Despite featuring a lot of items, we'd suggest this set for quick, easy camping meals rather than a full feast, which is probably fine for most backpackers looking to travel light. It includes a mini stove with piezo ignition, compatible with any 7/16 thread fuel canisters, but we wouldn't suggest relying on that. If you're looking for a great camping stove, there are definitely better options out there. It's hand wash only as well, so this set isn't one to toss in the dishwasher when you get back to your home kitchen. Included in the set are an anodized aluminum pot and frying pan, pan covers, a stove storage box, 2 BPA-free bowls, soup spoon, carabiner, stainless steel folding knife, fork and spoon set, an additional folding spoon with fork, sponge, and a bag to store everything in. And finally at number 1, we have the Odoland Camping Cookware. Affordable and easy to store, this camping cookware and pot set from Odoland is a great on-the-go option for hikers or anyone looking to pack super light. The set also includes a mini stove, and while reviews on that aren't necessarily bad, they do mention that the igniter corrodes easily. We'd suggest being ready to invest in a separate stove, considering the price point of this set. This set tests negative for lead, and it's easy to store in the included carry bag. The 9-piece cookware set includes the mini stove, 2 aluminum non-stick pots, 1 silicone insulated cup, 1 cutlery set, and 2 carrying bags, presumably for if you lose one. The pots also have user-friendly handles that fold back onto the pots when not in use, so you won't have to worry about switching back and forth between the two. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.